Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how to create a cutout transition on the Capcut application. Now I already have this project with the video that I would like to use for the tutorial. So I have this two clip, and now to make a cutout tutorial you need to jump into the second clip, and after that you need to split the clip into two parts. Just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to go click this split button, and after that you just need to click the first part here, and after that you need to scrolling into the left side the tools on this down here until you found an overlay. And after you found the overlay tools, you just need to go click it. And now we need to move this overlay clip to be in the last part of the first clip that we have here. And after that you just need to go click this overlay clip again, and we need to find the cutout tools in this down side here. And whenever you found it, you just need to go click the cutout. And now you just need to click this remove background, and we need to wait until the background is already moved. And when it's already moved, now you just need to go click this checklist button, and you need to go click this back, and we need to find the animations for the overlay. And after you found it, you just need to go click it, and you can use the any animations that you want. But here I would like to do a rock vertical, and I would like to make it have longer durations. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done, and here is the time to check the result. And so that's the way how to create a cutout transitions on the Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye bye.